Hi there, my name's Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia attorney. I specialize in helping injured workers and their families with their Georgia workers' compensation claims. Today I'd like to talk to you about an injured worker's right to change doctors in a workers' compensation claim. Now, if you've been injured at work, you've probably been sent by your employer to a doctor to have your injury checked out. You actually have the right to pick your treating doctor off of your employer's panel of physicians. So if you don't know that, it's important to look into that first. You can pick your doctor to treat your injury off of your employer's list of doctors, and you can also change one time to a different doctor on that list of doctors. However, I'm going to focus today on the right to change doctors apart from that list of doctors. There are actually a couple of other ways to change doctors in your workers' compensation claim, besides that free change on your employer's list. The first way is to just agree with your employer or the adjuster for the insurance company about a new doctor in your case. If both you and your employer or their insurance company agree, you can file a form agreeing to change your workers' compensation doctor. The new doctor you agree to will become your authorized treating physician in your case. Or, if you're happy with your authorized treating physician and you just want to agree to a doctor for additional treatment, it's possible to do that as well. You and the insurance company will sign what's called a Form WC-200, and that form will be filed with the State Board of Workers' Compensation indicating that agreement. And that should allow you to go and get the treatment with the doctor that you want to. Now, presuming that you can't get agreement from the insurance company, because a lot of times the insurance company may not want to agree to the doctor that you want to see, there is another way to change doctors as well. And that's by filing a motion with the State Board of Workers' Compensation to have your doctor changed. Basically, you can file a motion that argues why a different doctor should be your authorized treating physician in your workers' compensation claim. Now, the insurance company gets an opportunity to object to this motion, and a judge at the State Board of Workers' Compensation will make a decision. This motion is also filed on what's called a Form WC-200, or there is the possibility of requesting a hearing on having your doctor changed as well. So that's something you can consider too. One thing that you probably are going to need to do if you're going to want to pursue a motion to have your doctor changed is to get seen by a different doctor and get an opinion about what treatment that doctor could offer you. One way to do this is by getting an IME scheduled. You can check out my video on IMEs for some more information about what that is. But just to give you some basic information here, it's basically a one-time evaluation with a doctor for a second opinion. But the report from that IME could be used to support your motion to change doctors. There is one other important way to change doctors too that I haven't mentioned yet. And going back to the employer's list of doctors earlier, that's to mention that if your employer does not have a valid list of doctors, then you may actually be able to select any doctor you want to and automatically have that doctor become your doctor without even have to fight about it in front of a judge. Now, a lot of times, if your employer has an invalid panel of physicians, they won't necessarily admit that. They may fight you about it, so you still may have to go to court or file a motion to get a new doctor declared. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have, please let me know. The best way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up on YouTube. If you've got questions about changing doctors or any other issue in a workers' compensation case, I'd be happy to talk to you. The best way to do that is by setting up a free consultation with me. You can do that by calling me at the phone number on the screen here or by reaching out to me at our website, perkinslawtalk.com. There's a form there you can complete to schedule a free consultation, and we'll reach out to you and get it set up. Thanks for watching today, and best of luck to you as you recover from your injury.